Hi friends, how's everyone doing? Whew, I had a good day. Went to a pool party, took a friend home, went to the thrift store that has the fantastic puzzles because it's 2.5 miles to her place, and so I had to do it. Well, I got some butts in here. Yeah, I got some butts, some rear ends. Alright, well this first one, I didn't notice it was 1,000-piece dowel. I hope I can do it. I've been doing the 500 and I love these. This is Catalina Island. How fun is that? Alright, well I got 9 puzzles. I got a White Mountain, Lois B. Sutton. I love puzzles with quilts. They are fun. So I thought that would be fun. Now some of these are just, well, a no name. This says Tumbamba Cat in New York. Doesn't say. 50 by 70 centimeters, and that's that. So that's another one I'm going to have to work sideways. Didn't pay attention. Okay, hold on. Sorry about that. Alright, yeah, I didn't pay attention to these. Okay, this one, how big is this? Does it say? Well, anyway, then you can have the image while I'm looking. Well, I don't know how much 500 by 700 millimeters is, but excuse me. That's funny they show this image. I worked that in a buffalo. Okay, so there's 3 dogs on here, and a cat. There's a cat there. Don't forget our cat lovers. This one is different sections. 8 different sections. But it's still, you know, it's still one puzzle. Just one of those Chinese, but they stay together great. I know this person is putting notes in there. I know it's the same person. I'll bet you anything. We're going to see my little handy dandy Dollar Tree scissors here. Open these. And see, because I'll tell you, whoever this is, yeah, they're there again. How in the world do they work that many puzzles? There's always puzzles there. See, here's a note. Puzzle only assembled once. It is complete and in excellent condition. Good luck. Whoa. Good luck. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Good luck. Uh-oh, is it going to be hard? I got an Ebu puzzle. This is an Ebu Berlin Life puzzle. Artist playlist included. Don't know. Don't know. I guess there's an artist on here, which is Uda Krogman. Women owned. Ewu. Alright, we got butts in here still. We got some butts to come. Okay, this is another, just a Chinese. This looks like one I'll have to work sideways again. I didn't pay attention. This is called Living Room Corner. But they're fun. I don't know where they're getting them. They're probably getting them off of Amazon, but where and how? I mean, not where, but okay. If you remember, not too long back, we had the Hinkler experience. Yes, I worked at Hinkler and I loved it. So we got another Hinkler. This is a Hinkler puzzle. Does it have a person on here? I don't know, but anyway, okay, from Australia. Wow, wow, wow. Hinkler's from Australia. Oh, the illustration is by Rafaela Mascaro, I think it says. It's small, I couldn't see it. Okay, and they paid $8 at the time, so I thought that was pretty. You ready for some butts? Ready for some butts? I got some rear ends. I got some rear ends, some 500-piece rear ends. Look at the butts. Butts here. Butts on things. This is called Butts on Things. I think it is so funny. It's a Seco 500-piece butts on things. That's too funny. There's a butt on there. There's a butt on the watermelon, a butt on the... Everything's got butts on it. Look, butts down there. Everything's butts. Rear ends. A taco with a butt on it. That is just too dang funny. It's Brian Cookart, artist. That is just too hilarious. A basketball with a butt.